one of the winners of the award for 2022 is Gopal Kumar Mohoto, who will be joining us online from Bangladesh. Now, Gopal is an engineer and researcher who contributes to renewable energy, energy and efficiency, and innovating solutions for a sustainable future. He's the Director and Chief Technology Officer of Advanced Dynamics. He's also a young global changer, part of groups of individuals committed to making the world a better place. And he's also a #1 entrepreneur with the 2020 Climate Launchpad. So Gopal, are you with me? Can you hear me?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Thank you ever so much for joining us today. I'm not sure, what time is it there in Bangladesh?
Yeah, it's afternoon.
Afternoon, so it's very comfortable we're not pulling you out of bed today. So tell us,
Yeah, thank you so much.
but when did you find out that you'd been become part of the WEEF Index and had been sort of submitted into this group of ethical and sustainable engineers?
So I was really surprised because I didn't nominated myself. So I was nominated by Young Global Changers. So when I got the call that I am selected as one of the finalists, and then I really be very excited. And this award is not only a award for me, and this is a milestone for my achievements, for my passion. So the other awards I got earlier, those are for my work, for my innovation. But I think this award goes to my passion, the passion that I want to change the business as usual mentality of the whole world. That we are we don't have the time to think that what should we do for the climate change and what should be done. So right now we have to take the actions, and we have to be more ethical right now. From here, this will be one of my achievements as a business, so that I can do more as switching the business as usual mindset to be more ethical, and to we can do more. We can expect a more better world tomorrow. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. And maybe you could, for our audience here and also the audience online, just maybe explain one of the projects that you've been involved in, which is making a difference to the community around you.
Okay, so all of us know that electric vehicles are the future, but for us, for the global south, these are really expensive. And when we are thinking that we want to get an electric vehicle, a four-wheeler particularly, that's almost impossible for us. But what we are doing, that we are retrofitting the existing gasoline vehicles, and we are retrofitting with the electric powertrain and batteries, so that the already the vehicles that are on the road, that can be retrofitted with the technology that is already existing. And we are ethical in this sense that we have a mindset to use the existing system, the existing electronics, and the existing the things that we already got with the vehicle, that can be used for the next 10 years. So in this way, we save thousands of electronics. Not only that, we face a global crisis in electronics, but also in future there will be more. We have to be more ethical when we are considering mining, because everything we got from nature, it has to we should do it very carefully, because the future will be uncertain if we don't take care of our mother earth right now. Thank you so much.
Super. Well, thank you very much for providing us with that update. We wish you all the success in the world with your continued projects. And we hope that the WEEF Award, which is here, which will be posted to you very shortly, has a nice place to sit on your workbench, and you can share that with your team and all the people you work with. And we hope it brings you forward with your projects and your community.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, World Ethical Forum, and thank you for everything.